Small Steps is a 2006 young adult novel by American author Louis Sachar, serving as the sequel to his Newbery Award-winning novel Holes. While Holes' protagonist, Stanley Yelnats, plays only a minor role in Small Steps and is mentioned briefly, the story picks up shortly after the events of the first book and follows former supporting character Theodore Armpit Johnson. Johnson, a former inmate of the corrupt Camp Green Lake juvenile prison, is determined to make a fresh start and stay out of trouble. However, his plans are complicated when Rex X-Ray Washburn, another former inmate, pressures him into a risky scheme tied to the circumstances that originally landed him at Camp Green Lake. Just as Holes served as a satire of the U.S. prison system, particularly the juvenile justice system, Small Steps examines the challenges faced by ex-convicts in the outside world and the factors that often pull them back toward trouble. Though Small Steps did not achieve the same acclaim as Holes, it received largely positive reviews and became a bestseller, securing a lasting presence in school libraries and book fairs. At the start of Small Steps, 2 years have passed since Armpit's release from Camp Green Lake, and he is living in Austin, Texas. He earns a modest living digging holes, a skill he learned at Green Lake, and caring for his neighbor, Ginny McDonald, a 10-year-old girl with cerebral palsy. While working at the mayor's house, he encounters Rex X-Ray Washburn, who entices him into a scheme to profit from reselling tickets to a teen pop star, Kyra Deleon's, concert. Armpit reluctantly agrees to lend X-Ray the money, and at first, the plan seems to be going smoothly. Armpit asks X-Ray for the last 2 tickets, so he can take Tatiana, the girl he has a crush on from summer school. Though X-Ray already has a buyer, he grudgingly agrees. When Tatiana declines to attend after learning about Armpit's past, he chooses to take Ginny instead. However, the tickets turn out to be fake. At the concert, Armpit is beaten and arrested, and Ginny suffers a seizure from fright. The mayor, who happens to be present and recognizes Armpit, intervenes, and Kyra is shocked at how her fans have been treated. She invites them backstage, and afterward, they share ice cream together, allowing Armpit and Kyra to bond. They later meet for breakfast at the Four Seasons Hotel, where Kyra playfully tries to guess his nickname. The next day, Armpit confronts X-Ray about the tickets. X-Ray admits he knew they were fake and had sold the real ones to someone else, offering Armpit extra money as compensation. A few days later, Armpit receives a love letter from Kyra. Detective Debbie Newberg questions him about the ticket scam, and Armpit invents a fictional criminal to divert suspicion from himself and X-Ray. Kyra invites him to San Francisco, but along the way, they're confronted by ticket resellers Felix and Moses, who assault X-Ray, blackmail them, and demand Kyra's letter. Armpit complies and meets Kyra in San Francisco, attempting to explain the situation. Kyra misinterprets his actions as being motivated by her wealth, leading to a heated argument ending with her throwing coffee at him. Meanwhile, Kyra faces a genuine threat. Her manager and stepfather, Jerome L. Genius Paisley, enraged as she plans to fire him when she turns 18, plots to kill her for her fortune. He attacks Kyra with a bat marked with Armpit's fingerprints, but Armpit and her bodyguard, Fred, intervene. Kyra is seriously injured, and doctors are uncertain if she will ever sing again. Her trust fund has also been stolen by her mother's friend, Eileen. Though Eileen is arrested, the money remains missing, leaving Kyra bankrupt. Armpit returns home to find Detective Newberg, who acknowledges his involvement in the ticket scheme, but chooses not to press charges. Later, Armpit hears Kyra singing on the radio about their relationship. Though moved, he realizes that his life cannot revolve around her, and commits to improving his life, step by step. Louis Sachar is also the author of Holes, the Wayside School series about an unusual elementary school in a skyscraper, the Marvin Red Post books, and several standalone works for children and young adults. Wayside School was adapted into a 2007 animated series, and Holes became a critically acclaimed 2003 film starring Shia LaBeouf. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.